Want to read Russian? In this lesson, you will learn how to read 30 Russian words about food and drinks, even if you are a complete beginner. Hi, I'm Vita, and let's get started. Please look on the picture, and this is our first word, rice. Let's read it in Russian. Рис. 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 Please repeat after me. Рис. 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 Okay, the next word is wine. In Russian, ВИНО. ВИНО. We have two syllables in this word, and the second syllable is stressed. This is a stress mark. We put stress mark only for language learners, so you can pronounce the word correctly. ВИНО. ВИНО. I show you here that you need to stress on the second syllable. ВИНО. 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 Please repeat after me. ВИНО. 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 Okay, we're going to the next word, and this is banana. You can see it on the picture, and we read the Russian word. БАНАН. 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 The second syllable is stressed, and we have БАНАН. 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 Please repeat after me. БАНАН. 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 Okay, the next word is chicken. Let's read Russian word. КУРИЦА. 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 The first syllable is stressed. КУРИЦА. 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 Repeat after me. КУРИЦА. 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 Okay, we're going to the next word, and this is pineapple. We can see it on the picture, and we read Russian word. АНАНАС. The last syllable is stressed, so we have АНАНАС. 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 Please repeat after me. АНАНАС. 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 Okay, the next word is coffee. You can see a nice picture of the coffee, and we read in Russian. КОФЕ. 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 The first syllable is stressed. КОФЕ. КОФЕ. Please repeat after me. КОФЕ. 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 Okay, the next word is crepes. And we read Russian word. БЛИНЫ. 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 The last syllable is stressed. БЛИНЫ. 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 Please repeat after me. БЛИНы. 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 Okay. The next word is pate. You can see the nice picture. And we read the Russian word. ПАШТЕТ. ПАШТЕТ. The second syllable is stressed. ПАШТЕТ. 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 Please repeat after me. ПАШТЕТ. 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 Okay. And the next word is cabbage, very nice and green. And we read the Russian word. КАПУСТА. КАПУСТА. The second syllable is stressed. КАПУСТА. 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 Please repeat after me. Капуста. 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 Okay, we are going to the next word. And this is egg. Usually we eat for breakfast. And let's read Russian word. ЯЙЦо. The second syllable is stressed. ЯЙЦо. 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 Please repeat after me. ЯЙЦо. 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 And the next is meat. We read Russian word. МЯСО. МЯСО. The first syllable is stressed. МЯСО. МЯСО. And the last syllable, the last letter is letter O. You can see that this is letter O, but in Russian we have a very nice reading and pronunciation rule. If the letter O is not stressed, you can see that there is no stress mark here, then we pronounce it like A. So we say мясо. мясо, 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 мясо. Please repeat after me. мясо, мясо, мясо. Okay. The next word is butter, and we read Russian. МАСЛО, МАСЛО, МАСЛО. The same rule. This letter O is not stressed. You can see that stress is on the first syllable, on the A. So this letter O will be read and pronounced like A. МАСЛО, МАСЛО. Please repeat after me. МАСЛО, МАСЛО, МАСЛО. Okay, this is water. We read the word ВОДА. The stress is here. ВОДА, ВОДА. And again, this O is not stressed, so we read it like almost A. ВОДА, ВОДА, ВОДА. Please repeat after me. ВОДА, ВОДА, ВОДА. Okay. And the next is alcohol, of course. Beer. In Russian. ПИВО, ПИВО, ПИВО. Again, this O is not stressed. Stress is on letter E. So we pronounce and read it like A. ПИВО, 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 ПИВО. Please repeat after me. ПИВО, ПИВО, ПИВО. Okay. And this is not alcohol. This is milk. We read in Russian. МОЛОКО, МОЛОКО. The last syllable is stressed. You can see the stress on the last O in this word. МОЛОКО, МОЛОКО. But these two letters O, they are not stressed. So again, we remember about our rule. We read and pronounce them like A. And we get the word молоко, молоко, молоко. Please repeat after me. молоко, молоко, молоко. Okay, you're doing great. And this is the next word, pasta. And in Russian, we read many syllables. We have 4 syllables here. And the stress is here on the third syllable. МАКАРОНы, 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 макароны. Please repeat after me. Макароны, макароны, макароны. The next word is sausage. Yes, this is the one we cut and eat. So, we have 3 syllables here and the stress is on the last syllable. Колбаса, колбаса, колбаса. Again, this O doesn't have stress and it's pronounced like A. Колбаса, колбаса. Please repeat after me. Колбаса, колбаса, колбаса. Okay. Tomato. In Russian. Помидор, помидор, помидор. The last syllable is stressed. Помидор, помидор. Do you remember our rule, our reading rule? If this O is not stressed, then we pronounce it like A. Помидор, помидор, помидор. Please repeat after me. Помидор, помидор, помидор. Okay, you're doing great. Apple. We read Russian. Яблоко. The first syllable is stressed. Яблоко. Яблоко. We remember the rule that these two O, they are not stressed and we pronounce them like A. Яблоко. 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 Please repeat after me. Яблоко. 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 Sandwich. Very long word, but we can read it. You can do it, of course. Бутерброд. The last syllable is stressed. Бутерброд. 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 We get the word бутерброд. 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 Please repeat after me. Бутерброд. 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 Orange. We read Russian. Апельсин. Апельсин. The last syllable is stressed. Апельсин. 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 I want to pay your attention to this letter. This is soft sign. And do you remember the function of this soft sign? Of course, I know you remember. It makes the previous letter soft. So we have L. Апельсин. Апельсин. Please repeat after me. Апельсин. 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 The next is grape. And we read ВИНОГРАД. The last syllable is stressed. ВИНОГРАД. 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 Please repeat after me. ВИНОГРАД. 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 Okay. Dumplings. Пельмени. Пельмени. The stress is here. Пельмени. Пельмени. And again, this is a soft sign which makes the previous consonant soft. So we get L, and we have the word пельмени. 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 Please repeat after me. Пельмени. 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 potato, and in Russian, картофель, картофель, картофель. Again, soft sign, which makes the previous consonant soft. We get L. Картофель, картофель. Please repeat after me. Картофель, картофель, картофель. Okay. Oh, it's a very, very nice word, ice cream, and very long. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables. Yes, we have 5 syllables. And the stress is here. Мороженое. 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 You see how many O we have in this word. And again, if O is not stressed, we read it like A. Мороженое. 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 Please repeat after me. Мороженое. 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 And we have some words from one of the previous lessons that we already had with you. And we want to repeat them again, of course. This is tea. In Russian, чай. 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 Soup. 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 Please repeat after me. Soup. 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 ХЛЕБ. 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 Please repeat after me. ХЛЕб. ХЛЕб. Cheese. Сыр. 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 Please repeat after me. Сыр. 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 Okay. And the last word for today is fish. And we read Russian. РЫБА. 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 And we get the word РЫБА. 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 Okay. You are doing great. You're really a nice student. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.